Today I sell my luxury bags and accessories, so let's go. Hi guys and welcome back around here. I'm super excited for today because I have so many new cool items, bags and accessories. I don't know if you will be able to see everything. I'm gonna put this closer to me. I have very new exciting bags and I want to show you. If you don't know me yet, my name is Margot alias Margavalux. I'm 27 years old. I live in Spain, Barcelona, but I'm French. And I'm passionate about luxury. I do mostly videos about luxury, bags, accessories, history, unboxing, vlogs sometimes. And I already have for 2 years now my French YouTube channel, and I decided to create this English YouTube channel to welcome people who doesn't speak French, obviously. So welcome here if you are new. Don't hesitate to click on the follow button. I'd be happy to welcome you here. Don't hesitate to like this video and to comment if you have any question or if you want anything here. Just so you know, every Wednesday I have a video where I sell bags and accessories that are available on my website. Every Wednesday I have new things. It's like bag drop. And every Sunday I do a more general video about luxury, unboxing, vlogs, how to authenticate a bag, and etc. Anyway, let's get started. You have here the websites, and I will put in description all the links for everything you're gonna see here today. We have left some few things on the website, so don't hesitate to see. We ship worldwide, and if you are from Europe, we offer mondial relais. And if not, please be free to order on the website. Okay, let's get started with the first item I wanted to show you. This is the toilet pouch 26. This one is vintage. We had the dust bag just here, so I'm very happy actually. The condition of the Canva monogram is very good. Nothing to say on this one. You have little white stain on here, but I think you can remove them easily. The corners are a bit rubbed. You will be able to see everything on the photos, but I'm just giving you the details I see on the bags, and then you have the photos on the website. Okay, because here you cannot see closer from a closer look, but anyway, the corners are a little bit rubbed. But otherwise, this is a very good one, good condition. The inside is perfect. You have little stain, but it's not that big. And you have a vintage one. And the price for this one is 280 euro. I'm gonna give you the price in euro and here USD. And if you go on the website, you will have your own money. Okay. For example, if you want to buy in pounds, you can. USD, you can. If you are from the Emirates, you will have your own money and so on. Okay, for this one, I want to show you something else I just got, and you're gonna be very excited about it too. Here, this is a pouch document pouch, but it's mostly used to fit a computer. You can fit a 14 computer and I think a 16 too. You can have the measures on the website. You have it in the description, so go and check it. But my 14-inch MacBook Pro fits inside, so it's large. This is the big one, and the condition of this one on the Canva is very good. Actually, I have nothing to say. Here it's very little damage. It's very little. It's nothing big. The hardware is in good condition, I must say. The zipper is discolored. When you open it, it's in a very good condition. I'm very excited. You only have a stain here. It's a little bit damaged, but it's nothing very big. Otherwise, this is a very good condition. I'm very excited because this is such a gorgeous one. And this is a very good deal because this one is 270 euro. Yes, I know, this is pretty cheap. I'm gonna put this here and we're gonna go for other stuff. What else? Oh, I'm gonna show you this Céline. So this is the first Céline trapeze I had, this kind of model. I'm very excited because this one is gorgeous. I really like the color of this one. You have a gold caramel here, a very dark brown, and taupe kind of gray grain leather, and here it's smooth leather, kind of smooth leather. So this is a very gorgeous one. You can wear it with the top handle, and you can wear it with the strap, on the handle, on the shoulder. So this is top level. The condition of the bag is very good. I could say it's almost brand new, but it has little scratch on the smooth leather, so it's not. On the back, you have like a little pocket just here. This is very cute, actually. You can fit lots of stuff. And on the front, we are going to open the bag. So I love the closing and opening of the bag. Like, look at this. This is so chic. Love it. Anyway, you have here another, I'm gonna show you from here. You have, I don't know if you're guys are going to be able to see. You have another zipper here. The hardware is almost brand new, and the inside also. This is crazy. I think it's brand new, never worn, but the storage of the bag was not that well, and so it's like you have scratches, but it's very small. So the inside of the bag is very good. I will try to show you. I don't know if you can see something. This is hard this way, but yeah, the inside is like dark brown and very, very good condition. You have 2 small pockets inside, so it has lots of space. This is very good, and this one is gorgeous. Like, Céline bags are very good quality. I really love them, and this is so chic. This is so fancy. Like, I would love to, I would see myself wearing this bag, actually. And the price for this one is 930 euro, which is very good for this kind of bag, guys. And okay, something else, Louis Vuitton with the box. It's almost brand new. So as you can see, this is a wallet. We have the box, dust bag, and we have all the little paper and the ribbon. So it's actually not that bad. For this one, I have up my price tag here. I'm gonna put this here. Anyway, so this is a long wallet from Louis Vuitton. This is damier ébène, and it has like the closing of the wallet. It has one scratch, like it's minor, but still. And otherwise, the condition of this one is good. You have like one pocket here. I'm gonna open it. First of all, when you open it, you have like 4 different card slots, so it's good. And then you have multiple ones. You have lots of pockets, lots of card stuff. You have the construction. The hardware is very good. I could say it's almost brand new. It's as new, I would say, because it has like one scratch here. But otherwise, the condition is perfect. This is dark brown. This is Kanda monogram, not monogram, damier ébène. So this is good, actually. And the inside is leather. I have to admit, this is a very, very good kind of wallet. And the price point, guys, is insanely low. Like, the price for this one is 269 euro. This one is almost new. We have the box, the dust bag, you have everything. This is perfect for a gift. Anyway, we're gonna go for another bag. This is a very exclusive bag that I have here. This is from Louis Vuitton, and you're gonna love it, actually. This is a very high quality bag from Louis Vuitton, so I'm very excited. So we have the dust bag. The dust bag is not the same as it is normally. This one is the high quality dust bag for high quality bags. The normal one are pretty thin. This one is big, well, better quality, and the inside is like Sweden a little bit. So this is perfect and gorgeous. And here it is. We have the bag. So here is the Louis Vuitton Locket bag. This is a black leather. This is not the imprint leather. This is the opposite one. This is not printed inside. This is on relief, like on 3D. You can feel it. This is a very exquisite leather, very big quality. So we also have like the invoice from the store of Avenue Montaigne. This is my favorite store ever. So the bag was bought more than 3,000 euros something, and the price now is very low. I will give it to you after. Stay here. But yeah, it's so expensive now, and I think now it's more expensive. It's like 4,000 or even 5,000 with the price increase. The leather is in very good condition. The only thing is on the back of the bag you have here like a little stain. It's, I don't know, it's like shining a little bit. It's very in the detail because you cannot see it like very properly, but it's like kind of pink shining. Well, anyway, this is very, very small, and this is the back of the bag, and you will see the price is very low. And the inside of the bag is in suede leather, so black. So this is perfect. You can fit a lot of stuff. This is like very, very big actually inside. I really like this bag. And you have like a very small pocket here, but also very big actually. It's small, but it can go very, very far in the bag. Deep, sorry, it's very deep. I was looking for my words. It's very a deep pocket, and yeah, you have like little stains inside and little dirt, but otherwise the bag is perfect. You have the padlock here. I really like this bag actually. In the color, it's perfect. You can wear it like every day. Anyway, the price for this one is 1,699 euro. This is very, very, very perfect, and I really advise you to buy this one because this is not a simple bag. This is a very high quality bag from Louis Vuitton. This is high quality leather from the brand, so don't hesitate because all the prices are going to go up. And we have the dust bag, so this is a really good deal. Okay guys, I want to show you one last bag, and you were a lot asking for this one. This is the Montsouris backpack from Louis Vuitton. We have dust bag here, so this is nice. And this is a monogram one, big one. This is a GM size. So the canva monogram here is in very good condition, no stain, nothing. This is perfect. On the leather part, in the other hand, you have little stains, obviously, on this kind of bags, as the Alma, as the Noé, you have stains on the leather parts that is on the bottom of the bag. So you have like one here, and you have little stains and scratches under the bag, but it's also what we like about these bags. This is like, it's not really vintage, actually, you're gonna see, but still, this is pretty nice. I'm gonna show you the bottom, the behind of the bag, actually. So you have the straps here to wear it on backpack. The leather parts here are very good, actually. This is pretty insane. You can put anything you want here. On the front, again, you have a little pocket here. The hardware is almost brand new. This is crazy, actually. So you have like a small little pocket here, and you open the bag with this kind of closing in leather. And then you have this little strap as a Noé. This is fun. I really like it. So I'm going to show you the inside of the bag. Voila. So the bag is pretty big inside, so this is very nice. And here you have a little lock. You can put, like, for example, a pochette, a toilet pouch, small pouch or whatever. You have the code of the bag. And you have a little pouch inside that is very big, actually very deep also. So this is nice if you want to put lots of stuff inside. So like the condition of the bag is actually pretty good, except for the leather parts here. And so the price will be also nice. It's 699 euro. Voila. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you want to buy anything, just contact me or go on the website directly. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being more and more every week. I really hope you enjoyed this adventure with me, and thank you so much again. I will see you this Sunday. Bye bye. Bisous.